Welcome to the Two Tube Sessions room. I'm here with Christof. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good,
Thank you so much for coming in. So tell me how you ended up, a guy from Holland, ended up going to Galway for 6 months, but you actually stayed for 4 years. So how did that happen?
Well, I was just enjoying the music scene in Galway, and I just wanted to gain some more experience in performing music and start busking, and I was just having a good time.
Yeah, and you're called like their adopted son. They adopted you into their culture.
I've got a few dads.
Oh, that's handy.
In Galway.
And you've been really busy the last few years releasing quite a few EPs, and you've been on tour with some really exciting people as well.
Yeah, I've been on tour with the Staves. I've been on tour with the Boxer Rebellion, which is very exciting. We're all over Europe and the UK and Ireland.
Cool.
So, yeah.
But you said to me before that the Staves, they supported you, and then
they were in Galway. When I was releasing my first EP, we got them over. My friend knew them, met them in Nashville, and we got in touch with them, and they wanted to come over to support.
Awesome. And you've remained really good friends ever since, which is quite nice.
Yeah.
And recently enough, you locked yourself away up in Donegal in a cabin.
Yeah.
And how did you get on?
Got on great. Wrote 14 new songs.
14? That's a lot.
Yeah.
In like 7 days.
7 days. 2 days. That's what I was aiming for.
Wow, cool. So basically you're writing all these songs, so you're hoping to get an album together soon enough.
Yes, this
Brilliant.
year. Yeah.
And where can people check out all your tunes?
At christoffmusic.com.
Awesome. And now you're going to play us a tune called
Love's Glory.
Awesome. Okay, take it away.
Snow is breathing heavy through my windowsill. I swear to God it's you. It's falling down like angels. They parade towards the surface past my room. They decorate the branches like you decorate my Wednesday. I was sad. Miss you, but in this cold, I wish you could warm me up instead. I know we've parted a long time now. You know I never really wanted to. I wasn't very strong in conversations, losing battles with my truth. But in the end I fight it till my victory, and said that girl was fine. She stormed off for a burger, but I followed to warm you up till morning light.